Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to evaluate this function for the given expression. So they reference function f, and they've given us this expression to replace our value for x. Okay, so we need to consider the fact that this is the function that they are referencing, the f of x. They also, in our instructions up here, they give us a g of x and h of x, but they only reference the f, so we actually do not care about either one of these. We will completely ignore those. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite our function. Our function right here says negative 3/2 times the x, except that they have told us this is what our x is going to be equal to. It's going to be equal to this expression. So negative 8c plus 2, and then I also have my plus 11 still out there. Okay, at this point, it is just a matter of simple order of operations in order to simplify and evaluate this function. Okay, so let's go ahead and consider what's inside the parentheses. Can I actually combine a negative 8c and a plus 2? No, I cannot. They are not like terms, cannot combine them. But I can eliminate the parentheses by distributing or multiplying the negative 3/2 into the parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and just do that kind of longhand so that you can think about how this works. Okay, I'm going to remember that there's an invisible 1 underneath that 8 when I multiply fractions times fractions. And then I'm also going to do plus, and I'm going to do the negative 3/2 also times the 2. Again, just to keep myself lined up and straight, I can remember that there's an invisible 1 underneath that 2. And then over here, I still have my plus 11. So in order to solve this, I'm going to cancel out the 2 and the 8. The 2 fits into itself 1 time, the 2 fits into 8 4 times. And then I can do negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12c. The c is still there. 1 times 1 in the denominator can go invisible again. Okay, so then I'm going to do plus, well, actually, let's consider this. Negative 3/2 times 2 over 1, so I can cancel out the 2's. They both turn into 1's. And negative 3 times 1 means negative 3. Negative 3. Again, 1 times 1 in the denominator. I do not need it to be visible. It can be invisible. And then I put my plus 11 here. At this point, I'm going to combine my two constants. And so my final answer or simplification of my function is going to be 12c plus 8. Yep, that's going to be it. So that is the final evaluation of our function. That's as simple as it can go, and we are at the end. So just click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and come back and see us soon.